Hi guys, hello and welcome back to Chit Chat Show with Madhu Singh Season 2. I hope all of you are keeping well. So this time, I just on behalf of Awesome Entertainment, I wish all of you Happy Navratra. And just एक चीज़ बतानी है, बहुत मिस किया मैंने ये कुछ जो दिन का गैप था. I was missing all of you guys, so I decided to come back with Season 2. Now चलिए आज हम अपनी गेस्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं. उनका नाम ही काफ़ी है. Actually, she is a lady who marked her name in Bollywood. For last 22 years, more than 22 years I can say that she is a fashion guru, ruling fashion industry, and she is also a face of Swadeshi. So to know more about her, let's take her on in.
Hi, I was trying to connect.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm very fine. मतलब season 2 का पहला जो guest है is totally like धमाका. So I'm going to मतलब this season is going to rock. And see this speech. I have prepared a question for you. ऐसा लग रहा है कि पता नहीं क्या पूछना है सोनिया. It's like it's a awesome thing that you are ruling this industry for more than 2 decades.
Thank you so much. Yes.
Right? Now, first tell me that how are you?
I am doing absolutely fine, darling. I am so excited to be on your show. Thank you, Rakesh ji and the entire team. And Madhu, you're looking so good. And
you are looking awesome. Yeah, I understand. कुछ चीजों के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगाते हैं ना. इंटरनेट पे सोचता है यार ये कौन आ गए.
That's right. Actually, and my daughter's not at home, so I'm not having an assistant to help me with this. But I just got connected. Thank God.
You are always energetic, bubbly, and I love you. I love your energy and love you. So
thank you so much.
So shall I start asking what I have in my heart to ask? Lots of things to know about you.
Mind anywhere, you can keep asking me whatever you want. No problem.
Yeah. So let's go with it. Now, Sonia, just tell me about your journey in your personal and professional life, from a beginning to a fashion guru, because it is a very big name you have achieved so far, right? So just I would like to know a little, a little glimpse of all those moments you have gone through in your life.
Well, I haven't gone through bad moments, but I have always one thing as a child. I had my father as an icon. He was one of the topmost businessmen, I think, in Mumbai. He was a brand out of the 10 big brands that you could call today. And he always took me along with him. And we were 3 sisters. And my father always, since we already had 3 sisters, they all used to call me Rajika Chopra, because I always had a short hair and my father wanted to have a boy. Obviously, we have a brother after 3 of us. But I always accompanied my dad to his office. And what I did, Madhu, I can tell this to the audience, I only quietly observed a very successful man. In those days, doing business, they did not have bank loans. He was a producer. He was a financer. We were having trucks. So I understood how he dealt with different people, the top class people, and he sat with the A class. He also sat with the truck people. That time his language is body language. So I learned observing my dad. And yes, I belong to the industry. My eldest sister is a very famous fashion designer. And since we have this entire friend circle all related to this, so it was easy for me. But I didn't follow what everybody is doing. I made fashion as an education. So I started something different from everybody. So I think people have recognized me for that.
So how do you get this name Fashion Guru? This
is given to me by Thank You Media, Mumbai Media. They see me doing constant work. I mean, I've been working. I've been bringing new projects. I've been not only, working with the brands, because my friends keep telling me, why do you want to do all this? And stop it and just take the money from the clients, and the girls are available, just do the show and go and relax. But I always had that urge of no, जो बने हुए उनके साथ क्या काम करना, जो नहीं बने. Everybody has a fantasy. It's not easy. Our industry is all about glamour, glitz, but it's not easy, darling. So I thought, let me go and make people's dream come true. So which my father did, he gave money to people and said, why you want to work somewhere? Start up a small a business, and if you want to return, you return. You don't want to return. I think those days, na, people had that mentality, and I carry all that stuff. So I always thought of helping people, bringing people. Tomorrow we might pass away. There should be people to take away, a better chunk of. I always tell people, don't compete with me or don't copy me. You must be a better version of me. Whatever I have reached here with my guts, so you must, if you are following me, be a more better version of me, because India is looking for something much, much more, because we have so much of competition, and yes, we are sustaining and sustaining.
Right. So you have been doing shows in many cities. So
Yeah.
how was your experience with, so you're doing shows in so many cities, like Pune also you have been doing, right? And in Mumbai and many other cities, I think Jaipur also. So
Yeah.
how was your experience with working with different people out there?
Actually, yes, I started with, I think, doing Delhi and all this with a lot of Balaji Ekta Kapoor. I mean, I traveled a lot, mentoring a lot of students. Then started with my own shows. Today is the largest show of Made in India Swadeshi Runway. I'm so proud to be the founder. I am traveling 29 states. Now my show is so famous, I get invited by the CM of every state, that I'm supposed to go there and do the shows at that place. So when this stuff started, when people say I'm a Maharashtrian, my Maharashtra, in fact, when I was interviewing many people, I said there is nothing like my Maharashtra, because when we go out of Maharashtra to work, we are so warmly welcomed. We are given so much of respect. So I always believe in saying our India, and I believe everybody must say it's our India, because we need to take our India now to international. Then, just fighting in my Hyderabad, my Maharashtra, my Delhi.
Absolutely. Yeah. To get it from my things to say ours, right? It has to be like, yeah. So it is like, I have heard about that you are a face of Swadeshi. So are you going to start plan something in, say, like in a big, I said, as you say that you are working with 29 states. So how would you, how do you plan for this? What exactly is going to?
Long back, darling. Actually, the vision of Made in India Swadeshi Runway, I do a lot of pageants. I'm the first Indian to start kids pageant in India. Pageants in India for kids didn't happen. They were all fashion weeks, and you'll find even in fashion weeks, children catching each other's hands. Even when I do a kids fashion show, it's more on educational grounds. I 100% train them. I take a 5 to 10 day training, because that is my agenda of doing my shows. That is why Sonia Mayers is different. I'm a brand because I don't want to take money from sponsors and just call parents, unko kapde pira do aur next day chala do. No. I will make the parents and the children be with me, because there is my forte. It is education. So only unless and until I don't educate the child, where it comes to communication, your body language, which is very, very important, lifestyle skills, mannerism, very, very important to root within the children. That is only after that I get the children on runway. So my shows are very qualitative. Then I started this pageant where the media keeps telling me, ma'am, आप फर्स्ट है जिन्होंने pageantry kids launch किया. It's 2012 Glamorous Kids. So I kept doing a lot of pageantry, and then that is a lot of education which happens on my show. At least I can vouch for. I don't know about any other shows. But when I thought that how many Madhu children can come to a pageantry and how many can I give a platform? Now there is a big, big area of India. People from out states are leaving their states and coming to Mumbai. Mumbai is what you say, Bollywood area. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. In fact, it is good for some and bad for many. Children भटक जाते हैं because it's very easy, to go with the regular flow. And I feel so bad when I see children hanging out. Their futures are bad. The parents over there are sending money, thinking बच्चा कुछ काम करे, कुछ काम नहीं करता यार. So I said, don't send your parents, children to Bombay. I'm coming to your state. If they have a dream of being on the runway, I will complete their dream. I'll come and do Made in India Swadeshi Runway. यानी कि हर एक स्टेट के बच्चों को ऑडिशन करा के 100-200 को सिखा के free walk for India. And वहाँ पे I said, what will they do? I will get only Swadeshi. So I started this project 3 years back. Very well supported by Maharashtra government. First show taken up by Mr. Devendra Fadnavis and Amrita Fadnavis ma'am. She was there for my first show. Excellent support, and she said her last bite says that ये जो सोनिया जी कर रही है ये हमारे देश की उन्नति के लिए बहुत ही जरूरी है. It's all on YouTube with the media. So I feel so blessed that I started something. Yes, I am heading for North now once the lockdown opens. I've completed 4 shows.
So you are having a मतलब real passion for educating people, right?
Yeah.
चाहे एजुकेशन प्रॉपर होनी चाहिए, जस्ट ऐसे ही नहीं कि कर लिए शो देन बच्चों को थोड़ा सा वॉक करवा दिए, 2 या 3 दिन में कुछ ट्रेनिंग नहीं होता है. जनरली यू टेक 10 days for them to take the cream out of them. So this is really very commendable. So are we expecting anything in Pune?
Coming soon on a very large scale. Very, very large
because
scale.
I am from Pune, so that's why I'm asking. So
Yes. Yeah, I'm coming with a very big project, and I think Ashish and all are we working together. So I think we will.
Okay.
I think when it's not the money, Madhu, it is the passion. And when real mad passion people come together, na, there is a spark, and that spark, na, nobody can dim that light. I always believe.
Right.
So we have a handful of people. You're there, Shiva is there, Amit is there. So we can work. We'll make miracles. Don't worry.
yeah, that I'm ready. Really?
पुणे का रियाली.
तो अब ये बताइए कि IMFL इंस्टीट्यूट आपका है, तो किस किस तरह की ट्रेनिंग वहाँ पे होती है, and what kind of training you provide to kids?
I started IMFL because it was not my dream, Madhu. It's not easy to start something, but बहुत सारे पैसे लगते हैं. But when I was doing 5 years Ekta Kapoor का Balaji Ice Institute, I was heading the entire fashion modeling, and वहाँ पे बच्चे used to come and tell me, ma'am, it is a little expensive here, but आपकी ट्रेनिंग अगर हमको बाहर cost to cost मिले. So I realized that making money is not important. Me being available to everybody is important. So somehow मैंने 5 years कर दिया. 5 years के बाद I took a resignation because we can't start a brand. Then I started IMFL, and it's called Institute for Modeling, Fashion and Lifestyle. वहाँ पे पैसे लोग भरते हैं, नहीं भरते हैं, understand the situation, and it is at very reasonable cost. जो cost सिर्फ traveling और हमारा rentals जाता है, there is no big making money sort of a thing, because I'm really taking it. And बहुत से बच्चों को मैं पैसे भी नहीं लेती हूँ, सुन रहे हैं, बहुत सारे बच्चे वो जानते हैं जो बाइट बनते हैं बड़े और फिर बाइट्स भी देते कि मैम ने हमारा हाथ पकड़ा. So most of the models who have done so good, they always say in media, we are fortunate to meet Sonia ma'am, क्योंकि उनका हाथ से हम लोग यहाँ पहुंचे. But I always believe हमारी इंडस्ट्री बहुत ही खूबसूरत इंडस्ट्री है. Trust me, सही लोग मिलना चाहिए. Right, real work, सही लोग. That's very important.
सही मेंटर मिल जाए तो फिर बात ही बदल जाती है. तो मैं ये पूछना चाहूंगी कि those who are say participating in your events, उनके उसके बाद उसका मतलब किस तरह से आप उसका करियर टेक ऑफ होता है, किस तरह से वो अपने आप को आगे लेके जाते हैं. So that is also a question.
Yeah. See, now I'll tell you what. I do events because I try to polish the raw stones and make them something. So when I polish them, I 100% promote them, because पूरी market में जितने भी बड़े-बड़े brands हैं, they all say, even when they have their interviews, that if we want anything raw but polished, we will directly call Sonia, because Sonia has the best quality raw, because I do a lot of pageants. But again, Madhu, it is very big risk factor. Okay, if we have created name, there are certain children or ladies, they win and then they are not well disciplined, they are not well mannered, because ये बहुत सारी चीजें calculate करती है एक successful personality बनने के लिए. You know, Akshay Kumar, he reaches on set on time. Early 4 o'clock is the call time for him, and it is for everybody. As you said, Madhu, the other day when I called you exactly at 6 means it's timing for us. Successful people hold the timing. So when I see girls only are wanting to be going and ribbon cutting करो, ये अगर वो कैटेगरी के बच्चे हैं, then I will not promote. मुझे चाहिए बच्चे जो सेट पे, अगर मैंने प्रमोट किया, बहुत सारे बच्चों को किया है, तो वो they will grow, but it has to be with hard work. They can't throw tantrums, because there again my name and brand is there. So I will only take children who are hardworking, not children who want just to have everything ready made. No, I have worked hard and I still do it. It is not, nobody has an easy cup of tea. But again, discipline, mannerism counts a lot. So I do a lot of lifestyle education. That makes you a personality. You can't pick up just because you are beautiful. I can make an ugly person. You know, I always ask, somebody asks me, what is a beauty statement? I say the beast is beautiful, because the beast can be converted, making him beautiful, because we have so much of technology, we've got so much of advanced science that we can create faces, but you can't create a personality. So I work very hard on creating one from the ground level. Unless until your thoughts, like Abdul Kalam sir also says, dream, because your dreams will become action and actions will become words, and I mean your words will become action, and that is going to make you successful. So you will not dream, you cannot create an action, because if you dream and your actions are opposite what you're dreaming, you will not reach anywhere. So dream and let your actions be the same level, because force only will create energy. You cannot have ma'am, I'm dreaming. Every day I'm dreaming. But I'm there. But then there is no action towards that particular dream. So it will become zero. So every force that creates light has to be pushed. So only a proper mentor can do that. You know?
Absolutely. To just find out and refine the proper quality in them, to check out, you know, with everything. So I think you yourself is so young. So when you have started, that you are having a
Darling, I have started long back. As I said, I'm from the same family, and we have been growing. Our friends are together. We are still working. All have become brands, but we have all seen. Everybody has seen the rough times. We helped each other, stood with each other backstage. So ये सब छोटी-छोटी चीजें सिखाया है, and ये सीख के I started with an fashion educational system. So it's good. Because
it's always like, you know,
when they talk about, you know, skill development, you will talk about skill development. Only corporates used to do that. Today in my institute, I do skill development. But again, a skill development is an enhancement of a skill that is regularly taught. A skill is there with you. We are talking about one skill to develop, but I will enhance it to the social level, where you can create it to carry yourself to a lifestyle. So understanding the skill development that happens in the local area and the skill development that happens in IMFL, it is a total different skill development that I create, which I think I'm going to be supported by the government very shortly, by God.
So you're having that, having the government support also, right? You're having a very nice PR with people.
Yes.
So I just, in your journey, Sonia, I would like to know, you have so much years of experience.
I want all the ladies over there to understand. I don't care. मुझे बहुत लोग बोलते हैं मैम इससे बात करो, उससे बात करो, मैंने आपके लिए बात किया है, बट आई नेवर कॉल, आई नेवर टेक नंबर्स. मधु एक पागलपन, आई एम ऑलवेज बिलीव इन माय पागलपन. मैंने सिर्फ काम किया, एक हफ्ते में वो बंदा मुझे सामने से ही कॉल कर देता है. सो आई नेवर क्रिएटेड PR, आई नेवर गिव एनीबॉडी मनी. आई एम ऑन सोशल मीडिया लाउड. Anybody can say right over there कि मैम ने पैसे दिए हमारा राइट अप. आई हैव नेवर गिवन one PR any money कि आप मेरा राइट अप डालो या मुझे फेमस करो. नो, वट एवर हैज डन, वट आई एम इज ओनली आई हैव वर्कड हार्ड. मैंने मुड़ के नहीं देखा कि मुझे मीडिया, आई हैव, मुझे फैशन, इंडिया फैशन गुरु, I have got it by the media. Thank you so much. 2012 in the Metro News channel, they have put up my work and they said she is India's fashion guru. जो मेरे पास आज भी YouTube पे चलता है वो news. So I feel proud. Some people come and say they assist me, then they say, "मैम मैं गुरु लगा दूँ." So I said, "God, why you asking me?" मुझे किसी ने, मैंने खुद नहीं लगाया, मेरे पास मीडिया ने मुझे वो टैगलाइन दिया है. तो आप, it's your wish. I am nobody to give anybody that title, but you have to. A guru is somebody is very divine. You know, we don't have no.
They're divine.
We don't have no. So you can tell me to talk anytime. I told you, Madhu, don't take any questions. Just talk. Let us go with the flow. Because
go with the flow, right? I know you're always the lady to go with the flow and can talk on any subject given to you. Namaskar. And the thing is that the paper is falling short at how, but there is so many questions coming up in mind because I'm meeting you first time. And you know what? The thing is that people have so much of, you know, getting success in a short time. एक आजकल का हो गया कि बहुत जल्दी हमें सक्सेस अचीव करना है एंड देन they don't have any kind of, you know, कुछ प्रिंसिपल्स नहीं बनाते. They keep on moving to that phase. तो इसके बारे में आपको क्या कहना है? What do you want to say about it?
I will not blame the people, darling. In this, I will blame the makers. There are stupid local पान तंबाकू बेचने वाले इवेंट ओवरनाइट लोग बन जाते हैं. पता नहीं, एक्चुअली दे आर नॉट फ्रॉम मुंबई ऑल्सो, दे कम फ्रॉम छोटे छोटे टाउन्स. Literally they have this pan tabak. मैम मैं तो कोऑर्डिनेटर हूँ, मैम मैं इवेंट. I first of all I just don't understand. And then again मधु, मैं फिर भी ये बच्चों को, I warn my children, please don't register on events which don't have a base. They don't have a brand. Don't work with people who don't have a brand. आजकल एक घर में बैठने वाली औरत एक छोटा मोटा, you know, I feel so bad. Boss, she's making certificates and giving people who has given them these authorities to make certificates? Certificates are issued only by institutes. Somebody who's a brand, you know, we talk about brands. तो वो बच्चों को जो certificates मिलते हैं, वो certificate इसके हाथ में जाएगा, तो that child will walk red carpet. Tomorrow you go with these bloody so-called mad ladies who are doing something rubbish, and then they first opposite जैसे हम जैसे लोग, ये कौन है, काय का सर्टिफिकेट है. सो यू पेरेंट्स कीप योर चिल्ड्रन एट होम. अगर आप अपने बच्चों लोगों को ये लोकल जगह पे भेज दिया जहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीटिंग होती है, ये बच्चों के फेवरेटिज्म होती है, वो बच्चों के, यू विल ब्लॉक योर चिल्ड्रन. आप बच्चों को बढ़ा नहीं रहे हो, आप अपने बच्चों को ब्लॉक कर रहे हो. कभी उसने दिल पे ले लिया ना, एनी चाइल्ड, he will never grow in his entire life. When your children are small, see to it they are in the right hands. Don't look at those people who are taking 100 rupees, 200 rupees, but time pass. Don't. Life is not. Some parents want to have ladies groupism. आजकल तो ऐसी थी ladies group बनाते हैं. It is something better called like a kitty party, you know. वो छोटे छोटे वो events. I don't believe that. Why you all are giving certificates, and why? In fact, I'm going to put it up to our CM. Why? Who is authorized to give certificates, and why these ladies get up and they? I'm going to take a great call on this. अगेन आई एम सेइंग, ये जो ओवरनाइट फेम बनाते कौन बना रहे, जो इवेंट जो ऑर्गेनाइज, उनकी आप प्लीज स्टेटस देखो. वो पैसा घर पे लेके जाते हैं. अगर आज आपके ऑफिस नहीं चल रहा है तो आपको तो, आई हैव गॉट रिकॉर्डिंग्स विद मी कि यार ये तो हमारा थोड़ी ना रोजी रोटी, हम तो रेगुलर जॉब पे. तो व्हाई डू पेरेंट्स ओवर देयर डोंट अंडरस्टैंड? अरे आपका एक ही बच्चा है यार, उस पे फोकस करो. आप किसके हाथ में दे रहे हो? You know, you make a small community WhatsApp group, and जो मेकअप आर्टिस्ट है वो फ्री सेशन देगा, उसमें एक डांसर निकले, वो बॉस, what is happening? So it is not the I don't blame the children or the ladies who want fame. There are people who are organizing bullshit shows. Stop it. Stop participating. Stop giving them with that 100, 200 what they are asking. It is for their own, running their own house in the ration. Stop it, क्योंकि वो सर्टिफिकेट, वो रिकॉग्निशन आपको कहीं नहीं लेके जाएगी और आप बस घूमते रहोगे. इट्स लाइक खो-खो, यू टच माय बैक, आई टच योर बैक टुमारो. सो लर्न टू ट्रेन योर चिल्ड्रन टू सी ब्रांड्स. Learn to show your, when you work with brands, na baby, it is a different, entire different life. You know, and your children know what is the demand, how to reach mentally, educational wise, how is that other child so successful. And in case you are roaming in these so-called kitty party groups sort of community, they are not events, they are community groups. Those children never find, when then that child takes, mother takes them to a better event, they go, they have failures. Because baba, वो तो पान तंबाकू वाले इवेंट में क्या बच्चा सीखा जो, you can't be over smart, because फिर वो रोएगा कि वहां पे तो मैं जीता, अरे वहां पे कहाँ पे. But then parents wake up. It's important for parents. I don't blame the children. I don't blame the ladies. Crowns they are buying, you know, Miss International. Madhu, I have to tell you this. अगर आपने 2.5 लाख दिया, आपको मिस वर्ल्ड के पेजेंट्स जो हैं, आपके पूना में बहुत सारे गर्दी है उसकी, तो आपको यहीं से टैग मिल जाएगा. आप मिसेज अर्थ कुछ बनेंगे, आप ब्यूटी स्माइल बन के, आपको टैग यहाँ का विनर का मिलके ही आपको जाना पड़ता है. बट इट इज ऑल अबाउट मनी, एंड बॉस, मनी कैन बाय फेम. IMFL का टैगलाइन है, मनी कांट बाय फेम, बिकॉज इवन इफ यू पुट अ क्राउन एंड यू कैन से हेलो, तो वहां पे हेलो निकल जाता है.
So yeah, I would like to ask you. I would like to ask you one thing. Please answer it very, you know, honestly. Since you have been, since you have been, as you said, since you have been, in the critics, Bollywood critics and all, you have been doing so many things, right?
Uh-huh.
So what you have gathered along? What you have gathered? Friends, more friends,
enemies. People hate me because. But then again, I'll tell you what, the cameraman of the national channel told me at the back when I spoke about Rekha ji bad. I have to tell you, my God. They said she's calling for my number and all. Then that time the camera fellow who, you know, camera people are people who work day and night. He came and he told me in the green room where I was doing my hair. He said, ma'am, in Marathi, you are a fearless lady. तुमचं knowledge एवढं आहे ना म्हणून तुम्ही बोलतात. आणि बोललं तर बोल. तुम्हाला, you don't have to fear because you are doing your job. The channel, or the paper is asking you something, you are doing your job, because everybody can't be a critic, Madhu. It's not easy. It's easy to be with a flow. Group में चलोगे तो काम भी मिलता है, हम जैसे काम नहीं मिलता है, क्योंकि मुझे तो मीडिया ने बोला था, मधु, if the media people are listening to me, media calls me and tells me, मैम आपको पेजेंट के जजेस पैनल पे नहीं लिया जाता है क्योंकि आप चीटिंग नहीं करते हो, तो आप एक काम कर दो, आप चीटिंग करना चालू कर दो, आपको हर पेजेंट में आप दिखोगे और आपको पैसे भी मिलेंगे। मैं बोली ये बाय, आई बेटर be where I am, and I think it is God who creates us. We are not sold, so that is a huge difference.
चल, तो यही वही मैं बता रही हूँ कि खुद को जब आंसर देना पड़ता है, आई थिंक यू आर फ्री एंड यू नो वेरी क्लीन एट हार्ट कि मैं ये सब नहीं करती और मुझे झूठा शान भी नहीं चाहिए। तो दिस इज व्हाट
झूठा शान ना बहुत लोग आते हैं, and this one and miss that and miss that, बाप रे, मैं सिर्फ उसको ऊपर से नीचे बस get out and don't take picture with me, पता नहीं कहाँ से लेके आ गए क्राउड।
So too much happening everywhere.
You know what, our industry, you see Sushmita Sen, these people who have taken a crown, world crown, they are so intelligent, so polished. Oh God, unki communication, oh God, this is market has become bad. इसलिए I am on your channel to request with my hand fold to everybody, parents, बच्चों को कहीं पे भी किसी के हाथों में मत दो, especially people who don't come from this background, क्योंकि जब वो जो सर्टिफिकेट देने वाले लोग, उनको खुद recognition की जरूरत होती है, तो बस आपके बच्चे कहाँ जा रहे हैं? Don't push, sit in the house, give them some special training, let them watch some technicals on TV, do self learning, spend time with them, because a parent is the best teacher. But stop pushing them in the wrong hands just because you want to have a kitty party get together. तो बच्चों को बात छोड़ नहीं, हम लोग यहाँ पे मजा करेंगे और ये सब bullshit बंद कर दो, and don't spoil, because they are the future of India. I have to
concentrate on the proper learning. Yeah, concentrate on the proper.
When I did Made in India Swadeshi Runway, SIFA करके fishery education है, government fishery education. I'm talking on social media because my journey is also not easy. तो मुझे जब मीडिया ने बोला कि आपने मेड इन इंडिया कर दिया, मैम आपको गवर्नमेंट के लोगों से, आई सेड ओ गॉड, ये कैसा? अभी ना आई एम फ्रॉम द फैशन वर्ल्ड एंड देन आई हैव टू गेट इनटू गवर्नमेंट, so I went to fishery education, and then that time the principal said, no, we can't help, you're a private entity, this, that and all. Then I said, then he was asking me, what is the education you do in IMFL and all that, so I was explaining. So he said, no ma'am, यहाँ पे भी हम लोग entrepreneurship सिखाते हैं, हमारे यहाँ पूरा इंडिया से बच्चे आते हैं, and we teach them to become entrepreneurs. We have youth subject, they go and they become a fishery entrepreneur. So I just told him in one line, you teach them to be entrepreneurs, I create entrepreneurs. You won't believe it, Madhu. On that one line, he called for tea and coffee. He said, let us have a discussion on this one line. He said, I need you to be a spokesperson on my college. And he said, I am in with you. I got government with you, like that. So it's all up to your confidence, your intelligence. Work on it every day.
Absolutely. So this is something I told you, ना, very inspiring. आपको डर इसलिए नहीं लगता because you are very true to yourself, very true at heart, very clean at heart. So डर लगना ही नहीं है, because you don't go by, you know, the mob. The mob क्या होता है? Do you agree? Do you agree कि कुछ people affected हो जाते हैं when they are getting less likes and comments on Facebook? उनको लगता है कि फेसबुक पीपल जज देम अलॉट, कभी होता है ना, किसी को प्रॉब्लम होने लगती है, जैसे कि आप एक फेकनेस चलती है। 90% मुझे लगता है कि जो भी लाइक्स एंड कमेंट्स होते हैं,
just put up a critic. Why I put up a critic कि भ्रष्टाचार सोशल मीडिया पे घुस गया, likes, everything आप लोग बाय करते हो, you know, it is so fake, Madhu, it is fake. आपके 3 पोस्ट में नीचे देखो आपके 100, 60, 70 लाइक्स है, अचानक आपको 2000, 3000, पब्लिक पागल है क्या? मुझे भी लोग भेजते, मैम प्लीज आप लाइक करो हमारी लाइफ। आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, मैं लाइक करने से उनकी लाइफ कैसे बनने वाली है? आई टेल देम, यू नो, माय चाइल्ड लिसन टू मी, लाइक कर दूंगी, इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील, बट वेयर इज माय कंट्रीब्यूशन? आपकी हार्ड वर्क ही आपको आगे लेके, व्हाई डोंट यू हैव कॉमन सेंस? तो कोई सेलिब्रिटी कोई भी आपको कितना भी लाइक भेजे या कमेंट्स भेजे या आप पैसे देके बर्थडेज भी आजकल बाइट्स बिक रहे हैं बाबा तो बट माय बाइट्स आर नॉट सोल्ड. मैं प्रोडक्ट देखती हूँ इफ इट इज मेड इन इंडिया प्रॉपर्ली and if it is going to the social organization, if it is in paid to my country, then only I give bites. I don't sell bites because there are followers and I don't want to mislead my India or my international market because India is very rich.
So where do you think you are going to get, yourself after 5 years? Where you see yourself? And with that, what are your future plans? Just let me know that.
Definitely want to complete my 29 states, first of all, my Swadeshi project, which I am getting a great backup from the government of Modi Sarkar. I thank you so much. And yes, I will keep teaching till I die. I definitely want to have a death like my idol is Honorable Abdul Kalam sir, which I'm doing his awards also in tribute to him. And a mentor always wants to die teaching, but I want to create many Sonia Mayers on this earth, not only in India, all over the world, so that if there is something wrong, those ladies will put their foot down. It should not be only ladies, because I don't look at myself as a gender. When they say woman empowerment, I say no, I would prefer men empowerment, because men are powered and they empower us. So we should never forget our men. So I feel this is all rubbish. This is फालतू trend जो होता है. I don't take awards also these women empowerments because I feel it is everybody is taking a diversion which is not right. So let's give our generation that is coming next is don't look at your gender. It is your strength, your energy, your intelligence, everything that don't give it to yourself. Give it to the society. Give it to India. Give it to your soil. And I want to make more Sonia Mayers. People should not cheat. Fashion industry is real good. Everybody has everything in their own industries, but it is always you can say no to a lot of things. I have never faced whatever people have talked. That's why everything again I say is an education, and the circle you are sitting, good work is there, but if you get the wrong context, you will land up in the wrong place. So it's all about सेल्फ स्टडी, सेल्फ एनालिसिस. आप कहीं किसी को भी मिलो, आप प्लीज उनके बारे में पढ़ो, पूछो. अगर मधु मेरी फ्रेंड है और आप मधु को जानते हो, आप मधु से फोन करके मेरे रेफरेंस लो, फिर आप तैयारी करके मेरे को मिलो. इट इज लाइक दिस. इफ आई हैव टू मीट, आई विल डू अ होमवर्क. आई विल नॉट मीट because I don't want to waste my time, energy in rubbish people or rubbish. I can contribute something to a poor person, then wasting something because उसके पास glamour है. No, I don't run behind glamour. I don't run behind fame. My father taught me, be a kingfisher, don't be the fish. So I'm always behind the camera, creating people in front of the camera. That's my journey, and it will continue till I say goodbye to everybody.
So here is one viewer called Amitabh here. बोल रहे हैं कि 5 साल पहले दीदी यूनिवर्सल इंटरनेशनल फैशन गुरु बनने वाली है.
No, I have been mentoring international students by God's grace, and चल रहा है सिलसिला. Yes, but I want to take my Swadeshi International. I think Rakesh ji and I am working on that because as Amrita Fadnavis said, what Sonia ji is doing is showing the people कि हमारी Indian brands किसी international brand से कम नहीं है, और we are most sellable international. So this is the right platform that she has created. So I think my concept is
wow, going there. So you are going. Swadeshi तो start होगा ही, and I don't know. I feel कि वो है एक कि आप जा रहे हो international. I know you will make an international name very soon.
Taking Swadeshi only.
हाँ, taking Swadeshi only. देश तो अपना दिल में है, जो भी है blood में है.
इसके लिए बहुत काम आते हैं मधु. I was also appointed for Paris Awards and all. I didn't go. But if I go abroad, international, it is only going to be with Swadeshi. I would take my India and its flag and go. That's it.
More power to you. Really, more power to you. You'll get it soon. And एक और चीज कि कोई एक लाइन बताइए जो सोनिया मिल्स को डिफाइन करता है. A word. अपने आप को
तो मैं अपने आप को I call myself madness. I have a lot of madness, Madhu. I think if you don't have madness, people who are happy with routine, मुझे बहुत इरिटेशन, अगर आपके घर में भी एक बच्चा है ना, आई मीन टेलिंग ऑल द पेरेंट्स ओवर देयर, इफ द चाइल्ड गेट्स अप, वांट्स टू रेगुलरली सिट देयर, ही हैज दिस टाइमिंग ऑफ वाचिंग दिस, ही वांट्स टू गो दैट टाइम ओनली टू प्ले फुटबॉल, स्टॉप इट। रूटीन लाइफ में आपकी इंटेलिजेंस, आपके जो स्पार्क्स, जो आपके एंजाइम्स निकलते हैं, वो दे बिकम लेजी। आपको खुद आपके अंदर जो एंजाइम्स निकलते हैं एवरी डे, यू हैव हार्मोनल चेंजेस, यू हैव मूड स्विंग्स, क्रिएट इट इन अ पावरफुल मैनर सो दैट इट क्रिएट्स एनर्जी टू क्रिएट सम वर्किंग रिजल्ट। तो मैं पागल हूँ, मैं हर चीज एक्सपेरिमेंट करती हूँ और आई लर्न एवरी डे, आई लर्न फॉर माई सेल्फ। एंड the best audience is not what पर्दे पे आप दिखाओगे, मेरे लिए मेरे regular audience is my best audience because मैं उनसे सीखती हूँ और मैं सिखाती हूँ। So whenever students come to me, they don't take me as your teacher, I am learning from you. So there is, it's a very deep education. Like people say, when I talk about somebody, मैं एक झलक में, अगर वो मेरे से बात भी नहीं कर रहा है, बंदा बाजू में बैठा है, मैं सामने वाले को बता दूंगी ये बंदा क्या है। So people ask me, do trust me, Madhu? See, India, no? आप कोई बाबा हो क्या? My God, some ladies ask me, you have some God gift? Are you a Baba? Are you a... And I'm like, what? They say, how do you talk about somebody's next coming future? I said, boss, I have mastered the art of reading people. I have training. I'm starting from a foot correction to the hair correction to the eye, and it's even the teeth within you has to be in the right frame when it has to come on camera. So I am constantly working on personalities. Why I have to become a Baba? I can make money then overnight if I... People are so crazy, but they don't understand it as a study. And it is a study, right? I don't, even my lectures, Madhu, you will not get it on Google. Even when I'm doing lectures, I will create my own subjects because it has taken me a long journey to create my own subjects. It is for the benefit of the audience.
Very nice. So are your daughters are also inclined to fashion industry, or they have their own plans?
My daughter is very, very inclined to the singing industry. But the Saragam nahi aati hai. My God, she is too good. I don't know, but she has been accompanying me for shoots, and then she's seeing the hard work. She can do everything single-handedly, backstage, sound, everything she can do. She also trains very well the kids and all that. When I'm tired, she takes over. But she loves singing, and I think she has won India's Got Talent, and she has won the Guinness Book of Record with Prime Videos. So she's singing with she's also working with brands. Again, I'm telling all the children, वो मेरी बेटी हो या आपके बच्चे हैं, boss, आप parents हो, आप बच्चों को brands के साथ ही काम कराओ. बगैर brands के लोग, it's better you take them in the garden and let them play than taking them to a wrong place and pushing them. And people, they speak so vulgar and they speak so harsh, and people they are so loud. Children are watching, observing, picking up. फिर आप कंप्लेंट करोगे कि मैम मेरा बेटा तो ऐसा है, ऐसे आपका बेटा बहुत अच्छा है, आप ही पागल हो. So parents, they look at me, So there is lot of learning for the parents.
Lot of learning.
Don't blame your children. Children are God.
Yeah, absolutely. So, Sonia, it has been a lovely, talking to you. Kash मुझे और time मिलता. I mean, it's like it's never-ending chat type का.
Baby, such a bold statement I gave. Sonia Mayers, I can call myself mad. I have madness in me, and I want every success does not come to people who are calm. Success comes to people who are mad. Trust me. Be mad, exploit, take chance, fall, get up, struggle, and listen, but work with your own heart and mind. And that's it. Success comes to those people who are true. Be true to yourself.
So I would like to ask you one thing. That what, according to you, is a statement for fashion? Is it restricted to any one area like clothing or dressing or the housing style? What exactly, according to you?
Fashion, many a times people ask me, I said whatever Google says, they give a definition of fashion, it's all about clothing. But if you ask a guru about fashion, I say it is like the climate. It is everything that you can feel. It is the cold, it's the warmth. And it's not about you feeling, it is when you make others feel to yourself. So when you want somebody to feel warm towards you, you should know how to create that warmth. It is not only on your dressing, it has to come with your voice, it has to come with your eyes, it has to come with your body language, it has to come with the lifestyle. Fashion is that. So don't tell me that this is a definition of fashion. Fashion, yes, we always say you must be comfortable in what you want to wear, and you must know what you carry.
And so you
must wear brands, and you must carry this color bar, lipstick, and all that. So boss, don't look at your overall, because we have a lot of people who are expert in creating an overall look to you, but fashion is making a lifestyle within you to create an audience. So if you have your audience, your definition of fashion is very, very clear. Audience is very important. So as I said, fashion is, for me, an audience is your everyday audience. So listen to your family, listen to the critics. My God, you won't believe it. I come from a family who criticized me today also. Oh God, look at what you're in. I'm like, oh. But still, I just take it up, and then when I go out, you are looking. God, I say, oh God, my family is taking for granted. So ये ऐसा होता है. So it's always an experiment with yourself.
Experiment making out, yeah.
Don't talk. When I'm saying people are carrying huge paid crowns on your head, hello, my name is this. Oh God. So that is not. Don't belong to our industry.
Yeah.
Our industry is very classy. Wear less, talk less, and hold your positive attitude, balanced personality in an audience. So you create an audience to yourself. So that would be your own personal fashion statement to her. Don't wear heavy jewelry and loud lipstick. And I went to the parlor and she did me. Maybe understand fashion is really, and you need to really, really, really become an icon for others. So don't do what others do. First, very important, Madhu, what others don't do. I always tell my children who are very, very successful, जो गांव खेड़े से आए थे मधु मेरे पास मुंबई में, आज भोजपुरी पिक्चर्स, ये पिक्चर में लीड रोल कर रहे हैं, जो हिंदी बात नहीं कर पाते थे, इंग्लिश तो दूर की बात, मेरे से डरते थे, मैम आपसे डर लगता है, ऐसे डरो मत, अगर डरोगे ना, I used to hit them on set. But today they call me, मैम मेन लीड कर रहे हैं, मैम अवार्ड मिल रहा है, मैम. It is such a happy situation. I feel glad that I have been born for that mission, and I am doing it. So
if you have created them. That's called, you have said that I create people, you create them.
So you start creating and win the audience.
Yeah, really.
That would be the style statement for myself. Whatever you don't only look good, but when you win audience, when you create that weather within you, you won't feel warm. You are creating warmth to others. It's a technique, my child. I know if you come to IMFL, I'll teach you. When you are somewhere and you want to create warmth, if I'm somewhere I want to be like a bitch, I will behave. I will create that environment because I don't like those people around. They are doing something rubbish. So when I will behave like a bitch, the good audience will understand why man is behaving like that they will also walk off with me because this place is wrong. So you must understand, every time like the season changes, you need to change your fashion statement. So there can be one definition. It changes every minute. It changes like the weather. It changes like the climate. It changes like we have flu and we are healthy. Yes, for me, fashion is all about colors, glitter, soft, pastel, bright, everything. From the sunrise to the sunset.
So thank you, Sonia, for just employing your time to be in our show. Just जाते जाते अब हमारे audience को क्या कहना चाहोगे?
ऑडियंस को यही कहना चाहूंगी कि द सक्सेस स्टोरी फॉर एवरीबडी, इवन मेरे जो शो पे लोग आते हैं, द ओनली अंडरलाइन स्टेटमेंट इज वर्क हार्ड. बॉस, आपको कितने भी अंगूठियां पहनो, आप कितने भी हत्तरे पहनो, कितनी भी गॉड फॉरबिड हम बोलते हैं ये दोष है वो दोष है, आई वुड डेफिनेट, आप इफ यू आस्क मी, मैंने आज तक मेरा हाथ किसी को नहीं दिखाया है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट माय डेस्टिनी इज बिकॉज माय फादर हैज टोल्ड मी नेवर शो योर हैंड. So please work hard. Only unless and until you work hard, you will not reach the place you dream of. Start working today. There is never. And don't tell me age is a factor. A 70-year-old lady also, or a man, can also start thinking before he goes off. he can create a name for himself or something for his next generation. Please contribute to yourself and to the society at large. Very important. Stay true to yourself. True in the sense, मैम ट्रू कैसा हमको लगेगा, हमने ट्रू किया है क्या नहीं. मैं बोली जिस दिन आप सुबह में या टेंपल में या चर्च में या दरगाह में या कहीं पे भी आप होली प्लेस में जाके आप खड़े होके भगवान से आंखें मिला सकते हो, हर वो चीज करो. जिस दिन आप से you are not true, you cannot look into the eyes of God. You cannot do pujas. You are also cheating God. So don't go to that extent that you are cheating God and you cannot stand in front of him. So do all that is going to keep you 100% standing with your head up saying, God, here I am. You made me for a purpose and I am creating. So that is being true to yourself. Automatically the truth to others will be reflected. Be disciplined, be well-mannered, and stop gossiping.
Yeah.
Respect
Gossiping.
Respect your elders, respect people who have made you. Because behind the back also, if we talk to people who have made you, trust me, we are gurus, messages come to us with recordings. So it's not good. Everybody must work hard. Don't go with the flow. Nobody makes anybody. I'm also nobody. I still believe I have to make a lot of people. Lot, Madhu. For me, the journey has just begun. Although I have completed my 15 to 20 years in this field, I still believe कब lockdown खुलेगा और कब मैं कुछ और कराऊँ बच्चों के लिए. So contribute. That is important. And if you contribute to the society, contribute to your soil, very, very important, contribute to your soil, because we need real warriors, real fighters. As I started Women's Army in lockdown, overnight I thought that humko solution, when we have a problem, we have to create solutions. Don't make problems and on top of that problems, because you are not a good person for that. First, you must be a good person. And don't sit and have assumption कि वो ऐसा बोलते हैं, वो ऐसा. Stop it. If you are into that bracket, get out of it. Nobody talks about anybody. आज मधु किसी के पास टाइम नहीं है. So don't tell me that मैम वो मेरे लिए ऐसा बोला इसलिए मैं बैठ गई. No, nothing in this world. Earth keeps on rotating. It never stops for anybody. The day it stops, you'll all die. Boss, you need to rotate. Keep rotating, and every day you rotate. Every minute you rotate. Every time you take a breath, which is God's gift, contributed to the society. Even if you're sick, get up because somebody needs you. So have a good thought. Be a warrior in everything that you think you can do. But don't be a negative person. It's very important. Today I also go to police stations and stand for people whom I don't know. But Madhu ho jata hai kaam. I have never been a lawyer, but I'm a strong social activist. I think if my voice can be heard and people कोई बच सकता है, किसी की somebody's pain I can take. I'm always there. Now, Madhu, after this, I'm also rushing to KM Hospital for a very emergency. You won't believe it, but I am going. People डरते हैं, लेकिन I'm going. Somebody needs me. So be true, Madhu. That's it. And work hard. That's important. Work hard.
Yeah, work hard. That's the only mantra that we need to have life. Only one life, and we need to, make it worth living.
Yes.
So what I say, and I must say, Sonia, you are a beautiful soul.
Thank you.
I loved hearing you. Means it's like in the never-ending, kind of conversation should go on. But since it is a time bar, we have to, stop this show. Thank you for coming, and just hope to meet you in person very soon.
Sure. I'm coming.
Thank you, Sonia.
Namaste, and
thank you.
For everybody tomorrow. God bless you, and a lot of sunshine in everybody's house and souls, and keep shining, keep sparkling within you and around
keep
you.
it so true.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Beautiful host.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
So guys, आपने देखा काफी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. लाइफ एक है. एनर्जी को प्रॉपर तरीके से यूज कीजिए. कंप्लेंट्स नहीं करें, सोल्यूशन की खोज करें. तो सब इसी के साथ मैं चाहूंगी कि आप लोग भी अपना ख्याल रखिए, और नेक्स्ट वीक मैं फिर एक धमाकेदार गेस्ट के साथ हाजिर होंगी. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय.